What if you had an AI-powered assistant that could build your social media strategy for you? Meet SocialBee's Copilot, your personal AI social media manager. With the Social Media Copilot, you'll get a complete social media strategy tailored to your specific needs and brand. Your content categories, schedules, and posts stay intact, and the Copilot simply enhances your strategy by adding even more value on top of what you've already added into your SocialBee account. So how does it work? Getting started is easy. Step 1, log into your SocialBee account or sign up for free if you don't have one yet. Step 2, head over to the Copilot tab in the left menu, look for their icon that looks like a robot head. Step 3, choose whether you're creating a strategy for a personal brand or a company. Step 4, answer 8 quick questions about your business goals and audience. The more details you provide, the better your personalized social strategy will be. And Step 5, click Generate and let the Copilot do its work. Based on your input, the Copilot will deliver suggested social platforms by helping you determine which social networks fit your goals the best. From your connected ones, as well as a quick button to help you connect new platforms if needed. You'll also get content category suggestions to organize your content effectively, which you can keep, edit, or add new ones as you please, based on different types or ideas of content that you may have. Then it will generate a posting plan with a structured schedule that you can customize as you need. This ensures a consistent online presence based on when your audience is actually online. And finally, generated posts will be created for each category, complete with captions and image prompts that you can use from the notes to help you never run out of posts. You can come back to this step as many times as you need to in order to create more content ideas. When you're happy with the suggestions, simply select the posts you want and click Use these posts, and they'll be added to your categories, and you'll be ready to go. With SocialBee's Copilot, setting up a powerful social media strategy has never been easier. Let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your brand. Try it today and take the guesswork out of your social media. As usual, if you run into any issues or have any questions about SocialBee, please reach out to our team.